Welcome back to Cryptorium, your go-to hub for all the things crypto, blockchains, and Web3. Today we're diving into a brand new project that's catching early attention, hunting for the next big opportunity in crypto. Stick around because this might be just it. Let's break it down. So guys, here's a short disclaimer for you. The video is for educational and information purpose only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency project. This crypto market is highly volatile and you are solely responsible for your investment decision. So, guys, let's get started. So, today we're going to talk about Space Nation. In this video, we're going to have a look on the price chart, like what this actually is. So, guys, let me tell you that Space Nation is pioneering force in the entertainment industry, presenting the next generation metaverse that seamlessly integrates gaming, artificial intelligence, and a sustainable virtual economy. The metaverse is inevitable and beyond technology and content. Its foundation relies on a simple, efficient, and stable economic law. I see the new trends incoming. I find a good entry point now. Community working hard, which is 2 million market cap. So, guys, they are working on it like that's. That's what they have mentioned in many other groups. Like I find this interesting, and I want you to show you that. So guys, it's a long-term project. Team is really serious about this project. Good narrative and solid profile. A good entry now. So let's have a look and see why you need to have a look on it. So there must be a reason behind every happening. So Space Nation Trading Company is live trade 10K with Binance Wallet on DEX and earn up to 20% trading fees reward based on your volume. Join now. So, so guys, Space Nation, you can join it from here. So here's are the download the launcher. OEI Kit Space Nation airdrop will occur really and unite with gamers on Discord from 2025 to infinity. Join the Binance Space Nation trading competition now. Trade with about 290k dollar worth of reward for grabs. Only cumulative purchase accounts during the campaign sailing is excluded. Game update the Nexus is here. Project Nexus cleared for construction by the OAKIA's Research Affairs Office is born perseveringly revolutionary fusion design a spacecraft user in a new era of the OAKIA's stars ecosystem. Partnership updates are like the Purgy have allotted to utility in the evaluating in your experience and together with the Purgy Penguin we have in introducing the hottest NFT community, the hottest Web3 more PG. Tell me more. Download the launcher. So that's about guys. Your Space Nation soft launch journey starts by the downloading the launcher and the press highlight. We take pride in our recognition by estimated media and partner our journey. This project and franchise is constantly evolving, and we are dedicated to keeping you informed through an array of reputable media channels. Explore that the official voices have to say about us below. Now let's talk about guys their deck screen. Like we're gonna talk about their price chart now. So guys, the price chart is very good. Like it seems to be very stable. Not a so guys you have not to be foolish in this. You can check and you can have a look. This project is for long term. You can check out the price chart. No, not much selling, not much buying, and the price chart is at is good. Like the current market cap is 5.3 million and FTV is 1 million. Liquidity is 476k dollars right now. And let's have a look here. Like the coin is 3 months and 11 days ago created. So like they are going very well, and for me it's look good. You have to check out the token sniffer and everything. Like the 50 out of 100 is sniffer. And guys, you have to check out the liquidity providers. There's only one liquidity provider, and the total holders are 30 almost 39k holders right now. Like you have to be very clever in here. Like you have to check it. Like the top holder, what's holding, top second holder, what's they holding. Like you have to need to have a look and everywhere. So guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching the video completely. Hope this video is helpful for you. Always do your research. We'll see you in the next video.